Hello dear student, I am Varun Ishaq from IPM school. In this video, we are going to discuss about the distillation process. In previous sections, we are discussed about the various type of separating methods. In this reference, we are discussed the new methods through which we can separate the two miscible liquids. Which we can separate the two miscible liquids. Miscible liquids. Two miscible liquids. Two miscible liquids. So, distillation process. First, the means of distillation or definition of distillation. That is, it is a process through which conversion of liquid into vapor by heating. Followed by condensation of vapor by cooling and pure liquid obtained is called as distillation process. Distillation process. And this process is done and operate in the difference of wide range of their boiling points. Suppose you have a mixture of ethanol and water. You have a mixture of two miscible liquids, that is ethanol and water. Ethanol plus water. So ethanol and water, you know that the ethanol boiling point is 78 degrees centigrade. 78 degrees centigrade. And water, the boiling point water was very somewhere from there 100 degrees centigrade. So in this way there is a difference, that is 78 degrees and 100 degrees between the temperature of ethanol and water. So near about 22 degrees centigrade difference between these mixture. So in this way we can easily separate out with the help of this distillation process. First डिस्टिलेशन प्रोसेस में क्या होता है, सबसे पहले हम कंटेनर सेटअप में लेंगे और उसको हीट सप्लाई करेंगे और जैसे ही हीट 78 डिग्री तक पहुंचेगा वो आपका जो एथेनॉल लिक्विड है वो इवोपरेट होना, वेपराइज होना शुरू होगा और इवोपरेट होना। उसको फिर आगे देखते हैं, पूरा सेटअप देखेंगे। So first process, that is take the tripod stand and covered with wire gauze and then it's supported by this stand and it contains this Bunsen burner and take this container jar this jar and put it inside the this conical flask, that is specially named as distillation flask, and the distillation flask is covered with thermometer. Covered with cork and assist of one thermometer. And these areas, that is neck, that is neck of conical flask, and after that take that condenser, that is in which water in and water out, that is water in, water in, water in and water out. It is condenser. It is condenser. that is like that. So in this way, he is supported by that is glass jar, distillation flask, stand, tripod stand, burner, that is mixture of liquids, mixture of ethanol and water, ethanol and water, and it is thermometer, it is a condenser, and here is pure liquid, it is collecting vessel, it is condenser, it is a cork, it is wire gauge, so these are the setup of distillation process. This figure is represent that distillation process. It is a mixture of ethanol and water. So after supply the heat by burner, the liquid gets start warm, and when the temperature raised up to 78 degrees centigrade, the liquid of ethanol that mixed in water start evaporated, and after evaporated it reach up to neck region of the distillation flask, and these regularly enter into condenser, and in the condenser there is a water in and out through which condenser get cooled, and when the vapor of ethanol come in contact or pass through the condenser, the vapor of ethanol get cooled. The vapor of ethanol get cooled when it come in contact with condenser, and finally it converted into water liquid. Pure ethanol liquid. Pure ethanol liquid. So pure ethanol ethanol liquid, and this is a distillation flask. It is a glass container. These are the supports. Is provided by supporting stand. Supporting stand is a tripod stand, and figure distillation process. through which when we want to do any types of miscible liquids, there is a difference between their temperatures near about 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. So in this way we can separate easily by this process, that is distillation process, the process through which the liquid converted into vapor by heating and followed by the condensation of vapor by cooling and collecting into an obtained pure form of liquid, that is called distillation process. So in this way we can easily find that easily pure form obtained with the two miscible liquids that can be easily obtained with the help of this distillation process. It can be easy. सेटअप है, सेटअप को पूरा अरेंज करके थर्मामीटर यहाँ पे एडजस्ट करके उसके बाद कॉर्क लगा के फिर यहाँ पे आप कंडेंसर के थ्रू आप यहाँ पे कंडेंसर में एक वाटर इन हो रहा है और वाटर आउट हो रहा है, जो वार्म वाटर है वो आउट हो जाएगा, जो इन वाटर है, यानी कि पूरी तरह से कंडेंसर हमारा क्या रहेगा, कूल्ड रहेगा। तो जैसे ही वो वेपर कूल होगा वो वेपर कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, फिर से उसको कंडेंसेशन बोलते हैं, वो कंडेंस होगा, फिर वो वाटर ड्रॉपलेट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा और फाइनली हम उसको कलेक्टिव वेसल में कलेक्ट कर लेंगे। सो इन दिस वे we can confirm that these things from by the distillation process we can separate the two different types of liquid. So in another topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.